field, the cow goes moo, marching by in line. Mowing once and mooing twice, they're feeling mighty fine.
By the pond the duck goes quack, splashing in the sun. Quacking left and quacking right, having so much fun. In the mud the pig says oink, rolling all around. Snorting here and snorting there, bouncing off the ground.
In the barn the horse says neigh, kicking up some hay. Neighing loud and trotting proud, happy all the way.
In the yard the hens go cluck, pecking at some seed. Flapping wings and clucking fast with a little speed. Farmer Jack sings every day with a smiling face. All his animals join in at the happy farmyard place.